Welcome to my YouTube video. I, Mr. Ajit Ghatge, lecturer of Mechanical Department, CB Kore Polytechnic, Chikkodi. Today, we are going to discuss about open cycle gas turbine. So, in previous video, we will discuss about what is gas turbine, classification of gas turbine, and closed cycle gas turbine. So today we are going to discuss about open cycle gas turbine. It is simplest form of gas turbine, consists compressor, combustion chamber, gas turbine which drives the generator and compressor. These are the main components of open cycle gas turbine. So first is compressor, second is combustion chamber, third is turbine which drives the generator, and generator, fourth one. These are the four main parts of open cycle gas turbine. Now we will move to the working principle of open cycle gas turbine. So in this turbine, the air is first sucked from atmosphere and then compressed isentropically, means temperature increase from T1 to T2. Here temperature increase from T1 to T2, pressure increase from P1 to P2 in compressor. Means first the atmospheric air is sucked into compressor and it compresses as per requirement pressure from P1 to P2 and temperature increase from T1 to T2. After that, the compressed gas is passed into the combustion chamber. Means here the compressed air is heated by combustion of fuels. Means after sending the compressed air in this combustion chamber, the compressed air is heated by combustion of fuel and the products of combustion also mixed with this compressed air. Means whatever means hot air is mixed in this combustion chamber with the heated gas. So it means the mass of gas is now increased. Now after that the hot gas is then made to pass over the turbine, means here over turbine blades, and the gas while flowing over the blades gets expanded, which imparts the kinetic energy to the turbine blades that causes the turbine rotate. And with some coupling arrangement, the turbine is connected to generator which converts the mechanical work into electrical energy or mechanical energy into electrical energy. After expanding the gas on turbine blades, the gas is exhausted to atmosphere and the fresh air will be entered again into the compressor. This is the working principle of open cycle gas turbine. Now, what will happen in each component? So first, the atmospheric air is sucked into this compressor. In this compressor, the gas is compressed isentropically. Temperature increase from T1 to T2 and pressure increase from P1 to P2. Now, what is meant by isentropically? Means by keeping the heat constant. We are going to increase the pressure and temperature in the compressor. After compressing the gas in this compressor, the gas is sent into this combustion chamber where the compressed air is heated by combustion of fuels and the combustion products get mixtured into the compressed air alternately the mass of air will be increased. Because of what? In this combustion chamber, there is a, in this combustion chamber, mixture takes place, heated air and combustion products, means gas. And in this combustion chamber, the air is heated by keeping the pressure constant, simply increasing temperature from T2 to T3, means from T to T3, by keeping pressure P equal to constant. After that, the air is passed over on turbine blades, which means the gas imparts the kinetic energy to the turbine blades that causes the turbine to rotate. And the shaft is connected between this compressor and this turbine along with this generator. In this, the generator converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. And whatever power is developed by using this setup, the major part of power is used to run this compressor, and the remaining power is used to do the external work, or you can say mechanical work. Say for example, I told you in last video, if we are producing 100 kilowatt of power by using this turbine, from this 100 kilowatt, 75 kilowatt power is used only to run this compressor, and remaining 25 kilowatt power is used for external work. After expansion of gas on this turbine blade, the gas is exhausted to the atmosphere, means passed into the atmosphere, and in this turbine, the pressure drop takes place and temperature drop takes place. After this, the fresh air will be entered in this compressor. Again, cycle is repeated. Now, compared to closed and open cycle, in this cycle, in closed cycle, we are using same gas, repeat and repeat, means we can't take fresh air for each and every cycle, but in this open cycle, we are taking fresh air for each and every cycle. This is the working principle of open cycle gas turbine. Thank you for watching this video. In next class, in next video, we will discuss about gas turbine with intercooling. Thank you.